Welcome to Entrepreneurship Management. This course poses entrepreneurship management topics students can use to successfully plan, design, and manage a new business venture, including finding starting capital, applying leadership ethics, and managing growth. It is intended for those students considering self-employment for the first time. This is a semester-long 4-credit course. 5 case studies reflecting entrepreneurial situations are provided. There are 3 opportunities to take weekly quizzes. The highest grade will be saved. There is an entrepreneurial network event and report of the event included in this course. The course will also include weekly reflection posts that showcase your learning and experience each week. This is a fully online course, and each week is represented by different modules. The best way to navigate this course is to go to the module section in Canvas for weekly assignment, due dates, and other course material required to complete each separate weekly module. There are also modules with general information, such as the course overview, instructor information, and additional course resources. Warning: skipping the module section and only reviewing the grades page may result in missed information. No late work will be accepted. Therefore, exercise good time management. If you need to discuss any concerns you have about this course and its assignments, please feel free to email me through Canvas. You may also contact me by telephone. I have exciting news. Starting this semester, an Entrepreneurship Center will be located at the FSW Collier campus. The center will be located in J117 on Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The center will provide help and resources beyond the classroom to entrepreneurs to start and grow their business. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you in this course.